Hi everyone, Michael from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au. So it gets getting a little repetitive. The state government of Victoria has just announced that we're going into lockdown yet again. So how does that affect Bullion Now and your bullion trading? So it's going to impact us a little bit, but not a huge amount. So our over-the-counter sales, as of when we close today, will be closed for the next 7 days. So the over-the-counter sales only will be closed from Friday the 28th of May through to the end of business on the 3rd of June. We will open again at this stage, 9 a.m. Friday the 4th of June for over-the-counter sales. Now, we are still selling, we still have product to sell, we still have heaps of silver and heaps of gold coming through the door. So what we're going to do is you can still order over the web, so bullionnow.com.au, and we'll keep that website stoked with all the products we possibly can. You can also order over the phone, 1300 84 84 10, talk to the lovely Sylvia or Sam and place the order. And they'll be able to look after you, no worries at all. You can also order through sales@bullionnow.com.au, send us in that email order, or you can go through our live chat and talk to Ben and he'll be able to help you there. Now, what do you do once you place the order? You can do one of three things. So you can do click and collect. So if we're within your 5 kilometre radius, you've got no problem at all coming in and picking up from the store. You just need to make an appointment, and I'll make a link above here, and we'll do the same click and collect through the airlock procedure that I'll link above just here. You can also have all your items freighted out to you. With the dispatch centre will still be fully operational, so you can place your order, have it dispatched, we'll have it sent straight out as quickly as humanly possible. Your third option is obviously to leave it with us. Now, we always offer 3 months storage free, and we'll extend that. So if this lockdown, heaven forbid, goes longer than the 7 days, don't worry, you can actually store your product with us for free until the end of this COVID lockdown, whatever this turns out to be. So we're still fully operational. Other than over-the-counter sales, we can still provide those products, and I can tell you there's been some exciting things arrive this week, and hopefully we're releasing some new videos next week with stuff that you can buy over the phone, on the internet, or via the email. That's it for now. Any questions or comments, whack them in below and we'll get back to you. We might have plenty of time to comment over the next week. Who knows? All right, that's it for now. We'll talk again soon. See ya.